So today, Sam and I are going to plant a tomato plant. Are we? So we got a big bucket right here that we're going to use.
So we can plant it.
We're going to plant our tomato. And we have the cage right here.
So it can stand really good.
You're right. Stand in there strong. And then
We're gonna plant it with
we
that.
have our potting soil.
Yeah. And also we have to start planting our tomato plant.
Do you want to help me pour?
Now. Yes. Yeah. Soil.
Soil. Pouring our soil in first.
Where are we gonna put it in next?
Maybe we'll put the plant in.
This is gonna be so much fun. Before we do it, we're gonna plant it first. Let's start. Put it down with the camera.
So we're just mixing. Watch it, sweetheart. Move over this way there. Putting our soil flat in there.
Yeah,
And
then.
then I think we're going to plant this. Do you want to come put it in? Want to come put the tree in?
Yes.
The tomato plant? So we got to get it out. Wait, hold on. Stand right here, baby, beside me. Right there. We have to dump him out, I think. We dig a hole in here for him. Go in deep.
Hey, that's a girl.
Oh, we have to dig a hole for her to go in deep. There.
Okay, so.
Woo! Bugs.
Okay, so she's going to.
Then we'll stick our cage in so she grows up tall on this.
Then my mom is gonna do that so we can keep her good. To stand up.
Okay, let go.
And then I can go somewhere else. And then I can go with my mama to do something else at the camera. Bye.
So there's our plant, our tomato plant. And hopefully it grows nice and tall and strong.
Look, it's going. I know it's not. It's the